money on MenuGen. Okay, but the fascinating thing about MenuGen for me is that the code of the vibe coding part, the code was actually the easy part of vibe coding MenuGen. And most of it actually was when I tried to make it real so that you can actually have authentication and payments.
So the problem right now is the other, I think that's what a JDK is supposed to solve, the other things. Like right now, creating the app and getting the product is very easy. The hardest, most DevOps stuff is integration, payments, So an agent that can crawl through all those and get them, or an agent that can go through a certain process according to what the user needs. Like he needed these. You see,
the code
he needed
was actually
these.
the easy part.
So you build an agent that can go through all those really well and automate them really well. Then another person may have a different tech stack and different set of lists of things. Again, you build another agent, so then that becomes the product, an agent that can automate these things really well, whatever the things are for you.
Vibe coding MenuGen. And most of it actually was when I tried to make it real so that you can actually have authentication and payments and the domain name and universal deployment. This was really hard, and all of this was not code. All of this DevOps stuff was in me in the browser clicking stuff. And this was extreme slog and took another week. So it was really fascinating that I had the MenuGen
DevOps
basically demo working on my laptop in a few hours, and then it took me a week because I was trying to make it real. And the reason for this is this was just really annoying. So for example, if you try to add Google login to your web page, I know this is very small, but just a huge amount of instructions of this clerk library telling me how to integrate this. And this is crazy, like it's telling me, go to this URL, click on this dropdown, choose this, go to this, and click on that. And it's like telling me what to do. Like the computer is telling me the actions I should be taking. Like, you do it. Why am I doing this? What the hell? I had to follow all these instructions. This was crazy. So I think the last part of my talk, therefore, focuses on, can we just build for agents? I don't want to do this work.